So guys, today I'm in the gym. I'm just waiting for my coach and yung kasabay ko. Eat pa kasi yung ano namin, yung training namin. Kaso, anong oras na ba? Ano ba? 7:25. And I just got done treadmill. Let me go here. Ano? Some shooting. So I brought my book. So let's go to help me God. If I can go one hand. Oh my gosh. We go. I'm just gonna go to the bike and do some. On. Stay steady. Mama, Amine. Oh my God. Oh my God. Getting over the seat. I'm gonna have somebody tell me that. I'm just somebody outside. Da, 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 da. I just want to sit here. I'm sit there. Peace out, guys. Please wait for my coach and my basketball net. Peace out.